Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch5 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open some application or something like that. So I'm gonna open maybe, let's open the calendar. Okay, so once you open the screen you want to capture, you open some kind of application or you go to the certain settings, anything you want to take a screenshot of, then you can press the both buttons together, the home button and the back button, like this, and the screenshot will be taken. Basically, you press two buttons together, like that. And once you're done, you can check your screenshots in the Gallery app, so we can open the menu, tap on the Gallery app, and here we have the list of our screenshots. I took quite few before, so there's quite a lot of them, but we have our screenshots, the last ones we took right here. Okay, and that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.